Hey, we just got our turtle. Our uncle just shipped us a turtle from PetSmart. Well, I'm assuming it's from PetSmart because this box. And yeah, our uncles take really good care of turtles, so we bought one. And it's a Mississippi map, so we're gonna open it. It's alright, so he got us a Reptomin. It has mini krill, mini sticks, and baby shrimp. That's good. There he is. Wow. Alright. I'll let my brother open him up. This is his turtle.
Oh, let's see. Oh, it's moving already.
The container's pretty moist. That's good.
Oh, it's very shy.
Yeah, Yeah, that's the Mississippi map. It's a girl because we ordered a girl.
Oh, it's already moving.
That's good. It's active. That's good. It looks healthy too. Dang. That's the cage. That's the tank that we're gonna put her in. We have more stuff to put in there, so don't worry. Dang. Alright. Well, we're gonna stop the video here. Bye.